Veteran Nollywood actress Shaffy Bello has in an interview with Chude Jidonwo disclosed the reason for her divorce from a 25-year marriage. The actress noted that the long distance was a major factor as to the dissolution of the union, as she could not constantly travel back and forth from the United States of America, where her ex-husband lives, which caused instability. Former Big Brother Naija housemate Beauty Tukura has stated that she was shocked to have received the Best Dressed Female at the recently held Africa Magic Viewers' Choice Awards. She disclosed this in a recent interview where she stated that she less expected to win but was stunned when she was called out as a winner. She revealed the shock crippled her as she was not prepared to walk up the stage, talk more of giving a speech. Nigerian Afrobeat musician Seyi Vibes and Nollywood have unfollowed each other on social media platform Instagram following a recent online fight. Both artists clashed shortly after Seyi Vibes dropped two songs, Hat Trick and Amdala. Afterwards, Nollywood took to his Instagram to ask fans if they would like a snippet to his track. Is long distance enough reason to dissolve a 25-year-old marriage?